Okay, hello everyone. This is my Xbox, my dead Xbox. Yes, today I will teach you how to fix it. And this is my dead Xbox. You can see that there was three red lights, and this is because it have a problem with overheated. There was nothing on the screen. Okay, now first thing that you must have to fix it is the only one. That was one fan. Okay, how I did it is I put this fan at the back of my Xbox and turn it on. You can see that? Okay. Turn and do that. This is because the ventilation of this Xbox come out and then it come in it to make this Xbox overheated. Okay. You see that? That was the red light. We just wait 1 minute or 2 minutes before you can work it again. Oh, I having this problem more than 1 month, and now I can solve the problem because I don't have any much money to repair it, or must wait for 3 months to have it again and play FIFA 08. Alright. Okay. This is very a big problem to everyone that have an Xbox. Sorry. Okay. The fan still on. Okay. Let me try it again. Now turn it on. See what happened. Yeah, your Xbox. Work it again. See that? Your Xbox 360. And that was your Xbox Live. The Xbox. Work it again. CD. Yes, this is your Xbox. Okay, everyone. Goodbye until we meet again. Bye bye.